This is the Amazon Essentials men's casual shirt in the orange and black buffalo check pattern. These shirts are really great. I have several of them. This is what it looks like just right out of the packaging right here. You can see it needs to be ironed or steamed or like thrown in the dryer. It does have a lot of crease marks on it. Once you get it steamed though, these hold up really nice. I use these shirts a lot. I have several different of the patterns. Very, very pleased with them. They hold up to washes. They are true to size. So if like you're an extra large, you're going to be able to wear an extra large on all the different prints. They are true to size. This one here is a regular fit. You can see on the label right there. They do make regular fit and slim fit, so you definitely want to check to make sure you're getting the fit you're looking for. I have some of the slimmer fit ones. They do tend to run a little bit smaller, where the regular fit is totally true to size. So I prefer the regular fit, but some of the patterns are in slim, so I do have those as well. But if you're looking for like a roomy shirt, you absolutely want to check out the regular. Highly recommend them. This print is really nice. It's again orange and black in the buffalo print. Highly recommend it. It just looks really good. And again, Amazon Essentials, casual men's shirt. Highly recommend these. Really great product.